Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Lens of Truth with me, I've been Florentino. And for today's video, here is the full video drawing of Daisy from the Super Mario series. But before we get started, consider hitting the like button, ringing the bell, and leaving a comment. So, let's get to it. Now, one of the first drawings that I did was Rosalina on a post-it note. So now the second most popular, and they ended up actually tying when the poll was ended, was Daisy. And this is just one of those cool perks that if you are a member of the channel, you get to vote on it. And more specifically, if you are a member of the Hylian Adventurer, the highest tier of a member, you're able to have more options and also more suggestions for the polls of things that I will draw for the post-it sticky notes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and enjoy this time-lapse video of the entire process. Thank you so much and see you in the comments. Bye.